Welcome to our skincare tutorial on how to make a homemade aloe vera and honey mask. This mask is perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin, as it helps to hydrate and soothe the skin. First, we will need to gather our ingredients. You will need 1 leaf of fresh aloe vera and 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, we will start by preparing the aloe vera leaf. Cut off a small piece of the leaf and slice it open to reveal the gel inside. Using a spoon or a butter knife, scoop out the gel and place it in a small mixing bowl. Now, add in the 2 tablespoons of honey to the aloe vera gel. Mix the ingredients together until they are well blended. Once your mask is ready, apply it to your clean, dry face. Avoid the area around your eyes and mouth. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin should feel hydrated and refreshed after using this mask. For best results, use this mask once a week. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your homemade aloe vera and honey mask.